In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook long videos not showing. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our mobile device. And then from here, we want to click onto our profile, top right hand corner, or the three lines, and then click on the gear icon. Now this will take you into settings and privacy. And now scroll down, and under preferences, we're going to have a tab bar. So we want to go ahead and click on that tab bar. It's got a pin next to it. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on the customize the bar. So choose what you'd like to see on the bar tab. And now from here, we can see available tabs. We've got a whole heap here available. Then from here, where it says video, click on where it says auto with a little drop down menu. And then we need to hide this so don't show in your navigation bar. And if we scroll down, your video is going to be hidden now under hidden. Now from here, simply restart your Facebook and now open up Facebook again. Then from here, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right hand corner of the page. And then under your shortcuts, go ahead and click onto video. Then your long videos will be shown here.